Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial for Bold Reports. In this video, I will show you how to use the Property Navigator in the Bold Reports Report Designer. The Property Navigator panel provides a panel where you can view and edit the properties of report elements. This feature works in both the web and desktop report designers, but I'll use the web version for this demo. Let's get started. I have already created my report, added a table using the Bold Reports Report Designer, and named it Property Navigator. In the top right corner of the Report Designer is the Properties icon. I click this icon to open the Properties panel. Here I click the Property Navigator icon. In the Property Navigator pop-up list, the report structure is displayed with all the report items in hierarchical format. Each report element is represented by its name and type. As you can see, the Tablix icon and the label Tablix indicate the type of report item, while Tablix 1 represents its name. Let's see how the search functionality works in the Property Navigator's panel. When I search for a report element by name, the results are displayed in a parent-child hierarchical format. If no results are found, a No Matches Found message will appear. When I select a report item, such as a table, in the Property Navigator panel, the report item is selected instantly in the Design surface, and the properties related to that specific item are displayed in the Properties tab. I can modify the properties for the selected item. If I select a different report item, that report item is selected, and the properties related to it are displayed in the Properties panel. In this video, I have shown you how to use the Property Navigator in the Bold Reports Report Designer. This feature provides a centralized, organized, and dynamic way to view and modify report item properties. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.